Exploring antenna types and their practical uses. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we'll be exploring different types of antennas and their practical applications. Antennas are essential components for wireless communication, allowing us to connect and communicate wirelessly in various scenarios. So, let's dive in and discover the incredible diversity of antenna types. Before we dive into the different types, let's start with the basics. An antenna is a device designed to transmit or receive electromagnetic waves. These waves carry information and allow us to communicate wirelessly. Antennas come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own unique properties and uses. One of the most common types of antennas is the dipole antenna. It consists of two conductive elements, typically straight rods, that are equal in length and parallel to each other. Dipole antennas are widely used for radio and television broadcasting, as well as in Wi-Fi routers. We'll explore their radiation pattern and efficiency. Yagi antennas, also known as Yagi antennas, are widely used for point-to-point communication. They are highly directional and consist of a driven element, several directors, and a reflector. Yagi antennas are commonly seen on rooftops for TV reception and used in long-range Wi-Fi networks. We'll discuss their construction and the benefits of their high gain. Parabolic antennas, also called dish antennas, are widely recognized for their distinctive shape. They use a parabolic reflector to direct and focus radio waves. Parabolic antennas are commonly used in satellite communication, including TV and Internet satellites. We'll explain the principle behind their operation and discuss their impressive gain. Patch antennas, also known as microstrip antennas, are compact and lightweight. They consist of a metal patch on a dielectric substrate. Patch antennas are commonly used in wireless devices such as smartphones, GPS systems, and RFID tags. We'll explore their advantages, including their low profile and ease of integration. Helical antennas are unique in their helix-shaped design. They are widely used in applications where circular polarization is required, such as satellite communication and radio astronomy. We'll discuss the properties of helical antennas and their suitability for specific applications. As we conclude our exploration of different antenna types, we realize just how crucial they are for modern communication. From dipole antennas for broadcasting to parabolic antennas for satellite communication, each type serves a specific purpose in wireless connectivity. By understanding these antennas and their uses, we can make informed decisions when it comes to setting up our own wireless systems. That wraps up our video on antenna types and their practical uses. We hope you found this exploration informative and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.